Hey guys, it's Miss Hinsdale, and I wanted to walk you through all of the new notes that we're going to be learning this week so you guys will be solid on the test on Friday, okay? So we're going to talk about F, E flat, D, C, and B flat, which are all of those notes that we need to be successful on our test on Friday because we're going to be playing line 7 of our lesson 1. So we're going to start by playing line 1, which is just our F line, which is the very first note that we learned. And you guys should be really good at F now, especially after you submitted your homework to me last week. Okay, so here we go. Trombones up. Go ahead and make sure your embouchure set. And we're going to count ourselves off together. Ready? Count. Down, up, ready, set. Open teeth. And stop. So that is line 1 of lesson 1. Now we're going to skip down and we are going to play line 3 of lesson 1, which is our B flat note, which is the low partial, which is the second note that we learned. So to remind you how to play that low partial, you're going to have a squishy bottom lip, you're going to aim your ear up, and your jaw is going to be super open, really relaxed. Oh, and that is 4 whole note B flats followed by 4 measures of rest. Okay, here we go. And let's count off together. Count yourself off, ready, set, count off. Down, up, ready, set. Squishy bottom lip, hot air. Okay, so the third note that we learned is line 5, which is your E flat, okay? So now E flat, to remind you, is in third position, which is just about an inch in front of your bell, okay? So it feels almost like F. If you're not sure how to find that, you can smear down from F to E flat, trying your dive bomber and stopping when you get to E flat. Well, I'll show you that again, and you can do it with me if you want. Just start right there on E flat. So now we're going to play line 5. And line 5, ready? Make sure the trombone's angled down. Good. The next note that we're going to learn is D. So hopefully you've already learned this. If not, we're just going to skip to the portion in the video where we get to our new note, which is D. Okay, D is in 4th position, which is going to be, so 3rd position, 4th position. Remember, it's just that wrist movement right there. So 3rd position is right by the bell, 4th position is right past the bell, okay? So here's D, and it's halfway between F and B flat. So it's going to feel not quite high, not quite low on your face. So let me show you the aperture for that. This is F. This is B flat. This is D. So it's right in the middle, okay? So to find D, you can once again gliss down from F. D, which is line 2. Tap your toe. D, 2, ready? And stop. Good. The last note that we're going to learn to finish out our 5 notes is C. So C is 6th position, or arm all the way out naturally. Okay? Please do not overextend your arm. It's as far as your arm will reach comfortably. That is C. Or if you have a trigger trombone, C is just trigger. So here's F. Here's C. Sorry. Or if you're doing the glissando down, as far as your arm will reach comfortably. Let's try that little glissando again. Here we go. Ready? And that is C. So C is line 6. So let's start line 6. And let's do Miss Hinsdale than you on this one so you can hear me before you play. So actually, before we do start line 6 together, let's make sure we know how C feels. Because C can accidentally come out F if you're making the wrong face. The C face is very close to the B flat face. So you're going to use a squish your bottom lip and you're going to aim your air up. Okay? So this is B flat. This is C. So you notice they're really, really close together. So the face is almost the same. So when you're doing your dive bomber down through your gliss, you're going to stop at basically your B flat face. F, start on the F face, go down to your B flat face. Now, let's start line 6 and let's do Miss Hinsdale then you. And Miss Hinsdale then you, line 6. Your turn.